It is hot in my room right now, which is surprising because we're going into winter and I am sweating in my room. And usually around this time of year, well, like any time of year, my room is whatever the temperature is outside. So surprised that it's hot right now. But today I have my empties video. I asked you guys on my Instagram. I'm actually gonna pull it up. I asked you guys if you wanted to still see my empties even though they would be later, and all of you guys said yes. I have so many empties that I don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna pull out things. I have everything organized, but there's so much that things have just piled on top. First thing, body wash. This has become my new favorite body wash. You can get it at Target. The Method Body Peony Rosewater Pink Sea Salt, the Pure Peace body wash. I'm obsessed, and they have a little mini size that I got when I went to New York back in September. Love this stuff. May see some repeats in here. I've been collecting this for a while. I have a Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser, the foaming formula. This is what I use to take off my makeup at night. I double cleanse, so I wash my face to get off all the makeup, and then I'll actually cleanse my skin. My little wipe bag, I have 3 packages of baby wipes. I use baby wipes instead of makeup wipes to take off swatches, clean my hands while I do my makeup. They're just a lot cheaper. And speaking of makeup wipes, I have 4 packages. I have 2 of the regular simple cleansing wipes, and I have 2 of the micellar versions. I prefer the micellar ones. They're just a little more moist. I know a lot of people hate that word, but we're going with it. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure I'll be using up some more within the next little bit. I have quite a bit of sheet masks that I used up. I have 2 of the KNC Beauty All Natural Retinol Infused Eye Masks. I got these in an Ipsy bag and I really like them, plus they were stars. I forgot that about these. I'm actually going to take a picture and get some more because I like those eye masks. An Ulta Beauty Calming Rose sheet mask. Not my favorite. It was okay. I got this at Target as well. I love Target. I went there the other day to just get a game and wrapping paper, left with dry shampoo and candy, and what I went for. It's fine. This is the Peach Slices. It's all in Korean, I think. Peach and Lily, I think that's the brand. The Shrink Pores Willow Bark and Soybean Extract sheet mask. It was okay. Again, not my favorite. I have one of these Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask. Not my favorite. I have a Sephora brand Pomegranate Eye Mask. I love these sheet masks. Doesn't matter what it is. I love the eye mask, sheet masks. Yeah, I just base it off of scent. I also have a Rose sheet mask. I love Rose, as you can probably tell from anything in this. I love Rose. Speaking of, I have 2 of the Tony Moly I'm Rose sheet masks. Love these. Can get them at Ulta. And then I have a I'm Real peach mask from Tony Moly. Love peaches and roses. Let's go through my gum. I stopped keeping all of my gum empties. I just found 1 piece. I have 2 of the extra spearmint gums. I like this gum. I like spearmint gum and peppermint. I have 2 of the Trident Minty Sweet Twist. It was actually a year ago that I discovered this. A little over a year. We had our 1-year anniversary back in September. I have 2 of the Orbit Winter Mint gum. I forgot that I even had this. It's a good gum. Really like extra peppermint. And I also have a Tic Tac gum, the spearmint. It was okay. I felt like you needed like so many to actually get any flavor. Let's go through my skincare. My hair. I think this is my hair care thing. I have 2 of the Ion Repair Solutions Reconstructor hair conditioner. It was okay. I really think those are just gimmicks. An Ion Keratin Smooth Mask. Again, gimmicks. I have an Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. This, I actually did like this. I might pick me up a full size during the next Sephora sale. I have a sample of the Tea Tree, the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo. It was okay. Not my favorite clarifying shampoo. I have a L'Oreal Colorista spray, One Day Color. Here's a video what it made my hair look like. I like this, and it literally is a 1 day color. So if you want like a fun little hair color, one day, festival season is quickly approaching. 4 months away from it. Let's go through my skincare baggie. L'Oreal Age Perfect Eye Renewal. It was okay. Not my favorite. First Aid Beauty Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. Okay. Not my favorite. Drunk Elephant Sea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I did like this. If it weren't so expensive. Like, I'm gonna pull up how expensive it is right now. It's $64 for half an ounce. Maybe one day in the future, but right now I have a Grace and Stella Dead Sea Mud Mask. I liked it. It wasn't 100% my favorite mud mask, but it was good, and I guess it's cruelty and vegan. Cruelty free and vegan. Ooh, I really did like this. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I like this. Slowly but surely realizing that I really like IT Cosmetics. I love this. The Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I use this when I travel. It's just so easy. And I don't even know how to pronounce that. It's a serum. Can't remember. So it's in pass for me. Purity. Philosophy Purity Made Simple Facial Cleanser. I do like this cleanser, and I might have to get me a new one. Maybe. I got this as a sample because I thought it was something else, but it turned out to be something else. A Needles No More 3D Volumizing Mask from Dr. Brandt. I didn't even finish it. Wasn't anything spectacular. This stunk. I can smell it now. It's Gold Faden MD Facial Detox with sulfur, zinc oxide, camphor. I mean, it was a good mask. It's not my favorite. This little sample got me hooked on this mask. I'm on my 2nd jar of it, and it's a $64 mask. That's how you know I love it. But this is the Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxify Plus Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask. I love this stuff. A sample of the Codaline Radiant Serum. I really like this. Might have to pick me up another travel, or I don't know. I have a sample of the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. Nothing too spectacular. My face says it all. The Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Maybe if I used it for a longer period of time, I would see a difference, but I didn't see a difference right away, and it stunk. This, I don't like the feeling of it because it literally just feels like I'm putting soap on my skin. This is the Neogen Dermatology Dermology? I don't know how to say that. Real Flower Cleansing Water. I don't know what just happened, but my camera just shut off. A sample of the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It's okay. I prefer the Sand and Sky one over that. I want to say I like this mask. This is the Tony Moly Painting Therapy Pack Black Color Clay Mask. I think I did like this. It reminded me of the Glam Glow one, but it didn't break me out. Now on to the interesting things. I have 2 bottles of each of the Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner. My favorite purple shampoo and conditioner. It's how I keep my hair from going yellow, even though it's looking a little yellow. But this past week, my pink finally came out of my hair. I've had that pink in my hair since Halloween. I mean, maybe my fault for using a permanent hair color, but it was mostly conditioner. If you guys want me to do a video of how I dye my hair in crazy colors, leave a comment down below. Because even in like my day-to-day life, people want to like dye their hair a different color. And they're like, how do you do it? And I'm just like, this. Let me know. My favorite clarifying shampoo, the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean. Love this. I have a Tresemme Flawless Curls Curl Locking Finishing Spray. Do have some in there, but the pump is broken. And I've had this since either junior high or elementary school. And I'm a sophomore in college, so this has to go. But I love this for my hair. My camera keeps shutting off. But I have naturally curly hair. Dry shampoo. Dove Detox and Purify. This is my favorite Dove dry shampoo. However, this is my favorite dry shampoo of all time. The Not Your Mother's Clean Freak. It's cheaper and it makes my hair feel clean, and doesn't leave like a powdery feel. The only reason why I have a powdery feel in my hair after dry shampoo is because I add hairspray as well. Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal. This is what I use when I want my crazy colored hair. I have two more of the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser. I had so much. Some cotton pads. I want to invest in some reusable ones. Even though I really use these anymore, I just use a cleanser. I use like a spray toner. You gotta be environmentally conscious. I'll link this down below along with everything else. It's a rose bath bomb sold on Etsy. Speaking of Etsy, go check out my Etsy shop. I have two masks. A Mint Facial Mask from Studio 35 Beauty and a Freeman Feeling Beautiful Dead Sea Minerals Anti-Stress Mask. Out of the two, I prefer this. I love this mask. This is my favorite drugstore clay mask. Toothpaste. I have 3 of the Crest 3D White Radiant Mint. Not only do I like travel to new states and countries, I also travel across town to go watch people's houses, and I just take them. I have an Arctic Fresh one of the Crest 3D White, but I actually changed my toothpaste recently because I'm very picky when it comes to my teeth and the way that it feels in there, like mouth feels. I have 2 of these Secret Paris Rose. I love this deodorant. I love smelling like roses. All my perfumes, deodorants. Travel hairspray of my rave. This is my hairspray of choice. It's like $2 for a giant thing. A Dove Purely Pampering body wash. Shea butter and vanilla one. I like this in the winter, but I've just switched to the Method one. I only have one shape gel. Pure Silk. I love this stuff. This plus Up and Up razors, the 5-blade ones. And then you use my body scrub, aka Shop Sassy Beauty. Links down below. Smoothest legs out there. Trust me. Neutrogena Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. It was all that they had. Neutrogena. I like Neutrogena, I guess. They just have the good staple skincare products for me. It's what I used when I first started breaking out in like 4th, 5th grade, and still dealing with my skin issues. And apparently it's even worse now. We're not even gonna talk about it. If you watch any of my videos, you would know. Body Clear Body Wash. I don't even have to use this anymore because the skincare regimen that I was prescribed by my dermatologist worked for my shoulders and back. However, it made all of this 10 times worse than it's ever been. tell me how that makes any sense. I get very emotional about my skin. 2 more staple products in my skincare routine. The Biore Charcoal Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser and the St. Ives Blackheads Clearing Green Tea Scrub. Love these two. I use this. I guess it just has this, oh, it has a little bit of salicylic acid in it. Both of these do. I'm getting very emotional right now. Skin makes me very emotional. I think they discontinued this, but this is the Neutrogena Naturals Purifying Facial Cleanser. I could not find this. That's what I switched to, the Daily Clean Facial Cleanser, but if I were to prefer one of them, I want this one. The other one is great, except I can never find it. We're down to our last few products. Hand soap, Bath & Body Works Foaming Hand Soap in Watermelon Lemonade. I rarely show hand soap. I like the foaming version of hand soaps too. Anything else? Sally Hansen Insta Dry in the shade Pedal Pusher. Favorite nail polish, even though I decided to go with something different this week. I don't know how I feel about it. I have 2 of the Pond's creams. There's the travel ones that just dried up, but I remember when I used to be obsessed with this because they said it was a dupe for the Glam Glow. This is back when Glam Glow was like poppin'. This is the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying Zinc and Copper. Oh, good. I can't even do a thumbs up right now. And the last product, we're ending it on a negative note. Again, I was obsessed with Glam Glow and I saw that this was a dupe. The L'Oreal Pure Clay mask, dark gray one. This actually broke me out. But we have made it to the end of my empties. We can go into 2020 with a clean slate. Hopefully doing these every 3 months so I don't pile up so many products. My makeup one is already filling up again. I also am trying out something different with my hair right now. These hairpins. I got a bunch of them today in the mail. These pink ones. And then these 5. I can even show them to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassyMattieYT, same as well here, both Twitter and Instagram. Go follow my brand. All links down below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!